Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I think I've been up for a little while now, but so that you guys can see, it is Vlogmas day, I think 16. So, yes, 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 yes. We are pretty much going downhill from counting it down. We're still counting it down. We're still hanging in there. So hopefully, guys, you have seen majority of all the videos. I think I didn't do too bad this year for the first time. But it is 10 something in the morning. I was already up. In yesterday's vlog, I didn't get to sleep well. I didn't get to really sleep at all. I was in bed yesterday, I think about maybe 10. I know my TV was watching me. I don't know, I think the kids closed the door, turned my lights off, whatever the case may be. But this is how I usually start my morning off, by going through my TikTok to see what's there. The one that you guys see me make the other day, TikTok has it right now at 290K. So yeah, so that video within less than 24 hours done made it to 290K. And like I said, it's only less than 24 hours, so it can go very far. I didn't think that the video was gonna get that big, honestly. I'm always just kind of making content to get at least maybe 2, 3, 4,000 views, 5,000 views, maybe 6, depending upon the how funny it is, or depending upon, you know what I'm saying, how much, you know, what you really make it. And TikTok usually kind of push it, you know, depending upon if you have the proper hashtags in there. But some, you know, lately you haven't been doing any hashtags, and one of it, this one, I didn't do any hashtags, and you know, matter of fact, I did one hashtag and that was it. But like I said, this video can go for, I've had a video go for a month and gotten very large views. So for this one to go to 290K within less than 24 hours, yes, I gotta pat myself. I did that. Also on Instagram, I'm also growing there, and I'm also, you know, happy about that, you know. So for a girl that is 45 years old and that is doing regular, ordinary, everyday work like a working person, and my fun for me, I tell anyone, I don't really go out, I don't really do anything, but I do go out, you know, but due to, you know, COVID, I don't have any place to go. So what I did is put my humor and my fun into creating content, you know. And there's nothing wrong with that. People might say, oh, we too old for this, but there's no such thing as either being too old or too young. I mean, there's nothing that we can really do right now. We social distance, we have to be inside our house, whether it's going to, you know, important places that we have to go to, whether it's to work, whether it's to a doctor, you know, appointments and things like that. But in our downtime, go ahead and, you know, not everybody is fit for it. And like I said, I wasn't fit for it at the time. But, you know, like my kids always say, Ma, you're mad funny, you know what I'm saying, and whatnot. So why not, you know, take that and turn that into, you know, good content. And TikTok definitely brought out a side of me, whether it's, you know, just talking on some real stuff, you know, in some of the skits, or just even just joking, you know, you just pretending, or whatever the case may be, but just having fun with it. There's nothing wrong with that. And I want to say, thanks to that, you know what I'm saying, definitely people seeing a sense of humor that I have, And I am a really cool down, you know what I'm saying, down legit fun person who knows me. So yeah, so I must say that, I mean, YouTube, I'm trying to get there with you guys, but you know, at YouTube's a different kind of battle, but I'm gonna still hang in there and I'm still go, keep going, and we shall see what the outcome might be. I may not be, on this big platform, but it is what it is. So, but anyway, that's my morning. I'm going to definitely do some things today, and I'll pretty much take you guys along with me. So, from my bedroom, I am out. Hey guys, I'm about to get ready and head out on the road, do some errands and stuff. So I'm gonna show you a quick get ready with me. It has not makeup beat, but just quick get ready with me. I'll make up my bed, get dressed and stuff like that. So I'll show you that, and it's gonna be in time lapse. So that's me, guys. So here you go. Like I said, I needed no makeup today. Makeup free day. I don't wear makeup every day. Just, you know, put on a little, see, I did my face, you know, got a good cleanse, because of course it is harsh weather outside, and it's fall, so you know we still gotta take care of our skin no matter what time of the year it is. Spring, winter, summer, or fall. Get your face together, your skin routine together. Anyway, I'm about to get ready to head out. Got a doctor's appointment. I got a few things to do, so I'll see how much I can give you guys today. We also got some other things planned, so I'll come back to you guys a little bit. I've been ripping and running all day. We just left from Deshaun picking up his gift bag from his teachers. They all pretty much put together stuff in a gift bag for them. He wrote out cards and all that good stuff. So yeah, went to my doctor for my doctor appointment. I was sorry I couldn't show you guys. It was pretty much, oh my god, this sun jumping in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Yeah, so it was one of the things where it made no sense for me to try to even, you know, put this on. So now I'm heading, where are we heading? See, all the sun is a new doggone. Ooh, the sun is bad. So now we're about to head to McDonald's to get something for him to munch on. I'm going home, I'm going to cook, and yeah, like I said, yeah, it wasn't one of those days where I couldn't vlog because I was in and out, jumping in and out the car. So it made no sense for me to even try to do that. And then it was, what, you got a golf ball?
Yes, I got a golf ball since 1 year ago.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
At Grandma's house.
Yeah, yep.
No, so, like the same.
Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, it was one of those busy days. Like I said, my doctor's appointment, you know, I went there for my results at my urologist, so that you guys know. I did a test because I was, like I said, I have small kidney stones, and I didn't know that you can actually detect, you know, where you're getting them from. So apparently for my case, which I'm lucky because they're very tiny, I just need to drink a lot of fluids. He didn't say what to drink, but stay away, of course, from the sodas and things like that. But he, you know, like he said, you know, probably one of them days where I did my normal activity, and he said, yes, I need to drink a lot more fluids. It don't no matter what it is, you know, juice, stay away from the sodas, but more water. And I can tell I need more water. And also, you know, I'm used to drinking my teas. You also stay away from the caffeine, which, and I don't drink caffeine. I drink decaffeinated. So yeah, so that's definitely one of those things. So it's a plus, you know, just drinking more water and things like that. I'm trying to see what else. Also, he also told me that my magnesium is also a little low. But of course, when we think of magnesium, what that mean? That means we gotta go poop. I don't want to keep go pooping. So the water, with the more water intake, of course, we know will help me with that. So just to give you guys a life update on my health. Yes, I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, that's pretty much wraps it all up in a nutshell for 2021 when it comes to my life update. Yeah, So I'll catch you guys on the next one.